Stress is all around us. Busy lives, challenging circumstances, and tension within ourselves leave us feeling fractured and struggling to walk in the wholeness God intended for us. Do you feel stressed and overwhelmed but don't know where to find relief? Do you desire to live a healthy and whole life but aren't sure how to break free from the stressors in and around you? If you're looking for tools to reset your mind and body back into the design God intended, you are in the right place. Hi, I'm Elisa Keaton, the founder of Revelation Wellness. I'm inviting you to enter into a season of intentional stress release and restoration. Join us for our new challenge, Project Stress Relief, a 21-day mind and body reset. For 21 days, we'll retrain our God-given ability to live well in light of the stressors that life can bring. In this program, you'll learn how to stay on track and faithfully live healthy and whole life God desires for you. Every day of this program, you'll receive a written devotional, a video lesson, and a practical experiential activity that addresses your mind and body health. You'll also have access to our Facebook community and connect with a trusted team of coaches who have years of experience in improving mind-body integration. In less than 20 minutes a day, you'll learn how to move towards stress relief in your life. Many of us were never taught how to effectively use the positive effects of stress or how to properly process the negative effects of stress. For 21 days, you will learn both, and your physical and mental well-being will grow stronger. If you want to embrace the wonderful body you've been given and learn how to harness healthy amounts of stress that creates change, this challenge is for you. At the end of 21 days, you'll be equipped with tools to effectively deal with stress. You'll notice your mind and body are experiencing more peace, better sleep, less pain, and increased energy. God knew we would experience hard times. He didn't say we might have trouble. He said it will happen. You are not alone. Come work out your faith in community and find relief from stress in your life. Gain health and lose the stress. Sign up today for Project Stress Relief, a 21-day mind-body reset.